Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install golang 1.19, that is Go programming language 1.19 on Rocky Linux 8 operating system. So before proceeding to install, let me show the binary. Okay, so this is the binary Go 1.19.8 tar.gzip file for Linux. Okay, so I am going to extract this content to one location. So let me extract to /opt directory. Yes, so I extracted the content. Let me rename the directory for my convenience Go 1.19. Okay, so I have installed Go 1.19 parallelly along with Go 1.20, which means that multiple versions of Go can be installed in same machines. And this is the directory structure of Go 1.19, and this is the bin directory of Go 1.19. Okay, next step, what I am going to do, I am going to add this bin directory Go 1.19 bin directory to the bash profile settings of the current user. So for current user, I am adding the Go 1.19 bin directory so that executables, all the executables and golang 1.19 will be available to the current user. Okay, source dot bash underscore profile. So this will load the latest profile settings of the current user Go version. Yes, so I can able to run the Go command. Let me execute the sample program. Okay, I have one sample program. So this is the sample program. So let me run this program. Go run welcome.go. Yes, I can able to execute the Go program. Okay, now as I told earlier, this golang is available only for current user as of now. Okay, but in my machine multiple users are there. See here, user Ramanathan also there. Okay, this Ramanathan user cannot execute golang 1.19 programs because it's not configured for multiple users. Okay, what I am doing, I am deleting the settings in bash profile of current user. Now I open the terminal, switch as a root user, go to cd/at/profile.d. Okay, so here you can see shell scripts are there. I am going to create one shell script called golang.sh. So this shell script will be executed whenever the user login. So this settings will be globally available to all the users. Okay, so this export path settings, right, will be available to all the users. Okay, which means that all the users in this machine can run Go 1.19 programs. Okay, so save it, and I am logging off the current user called Oracle. Now I am going to log in as a user called Ramanathan. So let us see what is going to happen. Go version. Yes, I can able to execute the Go command. Let me run the sample program. Go run welcome.go. Yes, I can able to run the Go program as a user called Ramanathan, which means that Go 1.19 is available globally to the all users in the machine. Okay, so let me confirm once again as Oracle user. So finally we have succeeded by installing Go 1.19 on Rocky Linux 8 operating system from zip archive file.